Guys, graduation is getting closer. Have you started thinking about what you're going to do after finish college?
Yeah, I think about it almost every day, especially when deadline week comes. It feels like a reminder that college life is almost over.
Same there. The time after graduate feel exciting but also a bit scary because everything will depend on our own decision.
Especially there will be things time when no lecturer tells what to do anymore.
Honestly, sometimes I miss the time when our biggest problem was just accidents.
True, soon we'll face real responsibilities, especially after we graduate and enter the working world.
But I think this is also the moment when we can prove ourselves. So, Saila, what's your plan after we graduate next year?
After I graduate, I'm going to work for a few years. I really need experience before I decide to take a master degree.
That makes sense. Experience is important, especially during the time when companies look for practical skills, not just diplomas.
Actually, I believe the years when I work full time will teach me responsibility and discipline.
Do you already have a specific plan in mind?
I'm interested in social development. I want to work in an organization that focus on community improvement, at least during the first few years after graduation.
That sounds meaningful. Is it a challenging road?
It is, but I feel that the time when Mimi still young is the best moment to learn still from me well.
So you so you all take Mr. Disagree later?
Yes, I will continue my students after I feel ready, especially when I already understand what I really want. What about you, Aulia? What are you going to do after graduation?
As for me, I'm going to continue my studies and I want to apply for a scholarship after graduate if I'm possible.
That's great. Why do you want to study again?
Because I feel that the time when I still motivated to studies should be wanted. I still enjoy learning and discussing ideas.
Do you want to study abroad or stay here?
I'm going to try studies abroad. I think the time when I experience a new environment, I can really change our
Lanjut.
I'm going to try study abroad. I think that's the time when I experience a new environment. I can change our perspective.
Aren't you afraid of living far from your family?
Of course, I am, especially when I think about the time when have to handle everything by myself, but I believe it will help me grow.
That's brave. So you work after finishing your master's degree?
Yes, I will look a job after I finish my magister degree. Hopefully, I education of social field. Now I'm curious about you, Diana. What's your plan?
My plan is a bit different. I'm going to work and build a small business at the same time.
Wow, that sounds really challenging.
It is, but I want to start small while I still have the energy and ideas.
What kind of business are you planning to start, Diana?
An online shop. I will focus on it more seriously when the business starts to grow.
What if it does work?
Yeah, that's my biggest fear. But I think failure is part of the process when we are learning something new.
Yes, I agree. Sometimes the time when we fail teach us more than such.
Exactly. I don't want to regret not trying when I had the chance.
Do you ever feel pressured about the future?
Yes, especially when I think about the period after graduate when there's no clear grade dance like college.
Same here, but I think everyone feels that way at some point.
I believe we will learn the most during the time when we make mistakes and fix them.
One thing I'm sure about is I want to make my family proud when they see me standing on my own.
Me too. The moment when we can support ourselves financially, I will feel amazing.
That's why I will do my best after get my first job, even if the beginning is tough.
Do you think we still hang out after we graduate?
I hope so. Even when our schedule are busy, we should make time for each other.
Definitely, that's friendship were built during the years when we grow together.
We should promise to meet at least once in a while.
No matter where we am after graduate, let's keep supporting each other.
Agreed. The future will come when the time is right and we'll be ready.
Yeah, let's face it step by step when that moment arrives. Thank you. Bye.
Sadaqallahul azim.